Hey, sweet farm, you won't believe this colorful tutti frutti was made from an unripe pawpaw. Perfectly sweet, works perfectly in cakes, bread. You can snack on it or add to other baked treats. So let's get started. I started with unripe pawpaw. Using unripe pawpaw is very important because it helps hold the cubes, hold their shape while cooking. I removed the seed, peeled it properly, and washed it again to make sure it's really clean. After washing, I cut the pawpaw into small even cubes so they would cook even. I did the remaining cutting behind. Here is the final cut. Next, I placed my pot on heat. As you can see here, I added sugar and water and allow it to boil until the sugar dissolves completely and the syrup becomes clear. Now our syrup is ready, then I'll be adding the cubes pawpaw. After adding the cubes pawpaw, you allow it to cook until it's translucent for about 15 to 30 minutes depending on how your flame is. As you can see, this one is ready now. The texture is just perfect. After cooking, I divided into three portions. I added flavor to each portion, then food coloring. I used green, red, and blue and mixed the colors until they were well combined. Note, if you are in Nigeria, for this red color, I use excellent blend, then I mix with water because I prefer it's red, it's vibrant. Then for the other color, I use acabado and it's in drop. Make sure you use a drop of it because it catches so fast. Then for the blue was a bit messy, as you can see here in the video. You don't have to use too much of it. And as for the green too, I use a drop. You don't have to use too much of it if it catches. For these colors, I use acabado. Then you mix everything until they are well combined. I added again so it will catch very well. I then spread the tutti frutti on a tray and allow it to dry for about 48 hours or longer depending on the weather in your location. Please note, you might notice a light sugar coating on some pieces. That happened because I didn't fully drain the excess syrup before drying it out. It doesn't affect the quality at all. It's still perfect for baking or you can snack on it. Do you get? But make sure you don't make that mistake I made. Once it was fully dry, I stored the tutti frutti in a clean container. This is how I make tutti frutti from unripe pawpaw. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share with someone who loves baking. Bye. See you in my